Hello and welcome to Zombie Love Creations. Today I'm going to show you how I make my iTip extensions. I purchased my hair and it comes on a weft like this. And I use either scissors or, like today, I'm using the rotary knife, and I cut it down into sections perfect size for individual extensions. So in front of me I have a fusion iron. You can also use a flat iron if you don't have one of these fusion irons. And I have some keratin pellets. I like the clear ones. Some tweezers to pick them up and to load them into the iron. I have these little silicone mats and silicone finger covers to roll the extensions without burning myself. I also have a wooden stick with a silicone cover that I also use to help me roll them. But I actually prefer rolling it with my hand because I can push harder to create a tighter roll. These are the clear keratin pellets. I load my iron by placing it just on the bottom, and then I like to squeeze it until it melts and becomes this nice gooey mess. And that's actually how I know when it's done. And it's done. Nice and melted. Okay, so the first thing, I like to cut the remaining weft off with my rotary knife, and then I go over the end about 15,000 times. I like to make sure the keratin is really in there in between every single fiber or hair before I roll it. I'll show you rolling with my hand and also with the stick. But once it's rolled and mostly cooled, I use my rotary cutter to cut the end into a blunt shape instead of a pointy, pokey end. I do it because when I never did it, when I didn't used to do it, when I didn't used to do it, it would irritate my scalp. It would be sticking me, feel like I had something poking into my skin the whole time. But here you see I've cut the end off and made it blunt. But I'll go ahead and do it a couple more times so you can see.